Hey there, beach explorers! It's your girl, Angelina, and I'm back with another incredible beach adventure just for you. Today, I'm standing on the shores of an absolute gem, and let me tell you, it's a slice of paradise like no other. As I take my first steps onto the soft, powdery sand, I can feel the warmth embracing my feet, a gentle reminder that I've arrived in beach heaven. The sun is shining brightly overhead, casting a golden glow on the crystal-clear waters that stretch out before me. I look around, and what do I see? A coastline that seems to go on for eternity. This beach is so expansive, there's plenty of room for everyone to find their own little spot of tranquility. Whether you're into sunbathing, playing beach volleyball, or simply enjoying a leisurely stroll, this beach has it all. But it's not just the beach itself that's captivating, it's the breathtaking scenery that surrounds it. Picture this, towering cliffs standing tall, covered in lush, vibrant greenery that contrasts beautifully against the deep blue of the ocean. It's a feast for the eyes and a haven for nature lovers. And let's not forget the underwater wonders that await beneath the surface. Grab your snorkeling gear and dive into a world of vibrant coral reefs, teeming with a kaleidoscope of tropical fish. It's like swimming in a living, breathing aquarium. Trust me, it's an experience you won't want to miss. As I walk along the shoreline, I can't help but be mesmerized by the symphony of sounds. The rhythmic crashing of the waves, the laughter of children building sandcastles, and the distant cries of seagulls soaring above. It's the soundtrack of pure bliss, soothing your soul and putting your mind at ease. Now, my fellow beach enthusiasts, if you're enjoying this virtual getaway with me, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and become a part of the Angelina Beach community. Together, we'll explore more stunning destinations and share our love for the world's most beautiful beaches. And don't forget to spread the love by smashing that like button. Your support means the world to me, and it helps me bring you more amazing content like this. Alright, my lovely viewers, it's time for me to bid you farewell from this beach paradise. Until next time, keep chasing the sun, riding the waves, and embracing the beauty of our incredible planet. Angelina signing off, sending you warm beach vibes wherever you are. Stay fabulous.